Hey, what is up guys, Partho here live from Tech Era, and in this video we gonna unbox the new MI Earphone Basic from Xiaomi. So without further ado, let's get started. Today we have with us the latest budget earphone offerings from Xiaomi. These are the 400 rupees earphone which I bought from mi.com, paying 50 bucks extra for shipping. And this is how the box looks like. Nothing much written on the box. And now let's quickly unbox it and see what we get inside it. Xiaomi introduced these earphones in two colors, the metallic red and the black. Today we have got the red one with us. Digging inside the box, we get the earphone itself and some extra ear tips. And this is how the earphone looks like. We got two pairs of extra ear tips in this box. Now let's take a closer look at the earphone itself. If you are enjoying this video, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, since this kind of videos do take a lot of time and effort to make and upload. And here we have it. Nice metallic design with red and black in color. It looks very premium and sturdy. Next we have the call to action button, which can be used to send or end calls or to play and pause the music. On the rear side, it houses with a mic. The button in it feels tactile. The cable we get with this headphone is of good quality and it is adequately long. And then we get a 3.5mm gold plated headphone jack with it. The main body of this earphone is ergonomically angled to fit your ear canal for long lasting comfort. Coming back to the ear tips, you get two pair of large and small high quality silicone ear tips, and the medium ones comes attached with the earphone. That's pretty much of it. If you want to purchase this headphone, I will provide a Best Buy link down in the description. Thanks for watching. Share the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy and stay subscribed.